Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to braise chicken, okay? I have half of a free range chicken here, actually plus one chicken wing. Then let's take a look at how do we make the braised broth. To make the braise, we need some ginger, garlic, shallot. If you have fresh coriander roots, put it in also. I have bay leaf, star anise, and also cinnamon stick. My star anise actually has already broken. This is probably about equivalent to about 2 pieces of star anise. And then I have some 13 spice powder. You can use 5 spice powder. I'll be putting in, I will braise some egg as well at the same time. Then we'll be putting in some salt, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, dark soy sauce, some sugar or rock sugar, Shaoxing wine, and some premium light soy sauce. So let's saute our fresh herbs a bit. Once it is heated up, put in the ginger and garlic, also shallot. Saute it for a minute or two before we continue. This is after about 1 minute. You can see some of the onions started to brown. I'm putting in the star anise, bay leaf, and also cinnamon stick. Super fragrant right now. Next thing, I have prepared a pot of hot water beside, and let's add in the hot water. Always recommended to use hot water so that it doesn't reduce the temperature of your wok. Your cooking will be a lot more efficient. Right. Now we can start adding in the seasoning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Agak-agak lah, probably about 5-6 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And the color, dark soy sauce, also about 3-4 tablespoons at least. Not too much though. Dark soy sauce can make your broth, your braised broth become bitter. Okay. Then a small bowl of Shaoxing wine, small teaspoon of fine salt. This is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you can use rock sugar. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. I'm adding in some 13 spice powder. You can add in 5 spice if you have. If you can't find 13 spice, yeah? So let's bring this to a boil. For those who have fish sauce, you can add in a little bit of fish sauce as well. Right, our braised broth has been boiling for the past 3-4 minutes. We can now slowly put in the chicken or whatever you want to braise. And putting in the chicken together with the egg. You can put in tofu as well, or fuzu, anything you like. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. Once it is boiling, you can put a lid, tune down to medium low, and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Halfway, you may want to flip the chicken over. Right, this is coming to about 30 minutes. I did flip over the chicken halfway just now, yeah? And then flip it back. Right, I'm using free range chicken today. If you use a normal farm chicken, the color will be even more darker. Okay, so I'm going to take out the chicken and then set it aside, let it cool down a little bit before I cut it. Right, just set it aside. It is super fragrant right now. Let's go and thicken out the sauce. There are 2 ways as to how you can thicken out the sauce. One way is to continue cook the sauce until it's thickened up by itself. Probably will take you, I got quite a lot of sauce here today. I would say at least about 15 minutes easily, because I have a lot of sauce. Another way, which is the easier way out, today Appa is lazy, I'm just going to put in some cornstarch solution to thicken it up, that's all. Right, I prepared some starch solution. Alright, this consistency is good enough. I don't like it to be too starchy. And of course, now you can use salt and also sugar to adjust to taste, yeah? Alright, so here's my chicken. Let's give it some sauce. Right. Alright, simple. If you ask me, braised chicken is 5 times at least more simpler than braised pork. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.